Hey, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. I'm about to show you in Adobe Premiere how you can add titles or graphics, names. We call them lower thirds where you tell somebody's name, different things like that. I'm about to show you here on Adobe Premiere. This is part of a series of how to edit videos using Adobe Premiere or Adobe Premiere tutorial for 2020. I recommend you check out the whole playlist. The link is in the description. But let's dive in right now and learn how we can add titles or graphics to our Adobe Premiere movies and videos that we make. All right, let's start now.
All right, we are done with our version 1.0. We've shaved off about 8 minutes, put it down to 12 and a half minutes. That's the length our show is going to be. And now we're going to do our final draft. We're going to do our final version. So we need to make a copy of version 1.0 in case we may mess it up. We click on that, right click or control click, choose duplicate, and rename it Final Draft. All right, what do we do in final drafts? This is where we dress it up. This is where we add music. This is where we add transitions, dissolves, fades, graphics, things like that. So in this first video right here, we are going to show you how to put in the graphics that we want for our final draft. So let's go through our final draft and figure out where we need graphics, okay? All right, so we'll do one right here in the opener. All right, new legacy title. That's the one we're going to use. It's under File, New, Legacy Title, okay? That's what we're going to use to build our title. You can also build these in Photoshop, but it's easier in Premiere. I'm going to name this title Open Title. Click OK. And we're going to find a graphic that looks like a clock. Since this is a 24-hour challenge, we're going to use clock writing, and I don't know what font to use for that, so bear with us while we search and find a good font for that. Is this thing loading? There we go. Here's where we change our font. It's a good clock font. I'm going to go do a search for one. Google one. Give me a second. All right, alarm clock font from Da Font. I'm going to download this. This is how you get fonts, by the way. Download your font. Alarm clock font. Find it in the Finder. Come on. There's my alarm clock font. It opened. Double click it. It's going to ask me if I want to install it. Of course I want to install it, or I wouldn't have downloaded it. And now it's installed. Now, it will not show up, I don't think at least. Let's see. I don't think it'll show up in here until we reset Premiere. And I'm right, it's not there. Okay, so make sure you save your project. And then we're going to exit out of Premiere. And reopen Premiere. All right, now we're back in Premiere. We should have the font that we want, so we double click our title and we choose alarm clock. And it's still not here. There we go. If I type it, it folds it up. Okay, typed in the name. Now we're ready to go. Now I can type 24-hour in 24 hours. Why is it making a big S? See if we can make this bold. No, it doesn't give us a bold option. All right, so you can move this around and line it up where we want it. We want it down here. By the way, this box is your title stay area. You want to keep your titles in that space. Return, we'll bring this down. We're going to have to make this a smaller font, obviously. Right here, we click here and we drag, make it smaller. There we go. 24 hours in the office challenge. Our title is made. Now we close this and we drag this above our actual video. We want it to start a couple seconds into the video. So right there. There you have it.
Hey guys, Naughty Talks here. And today we're doing a 24 hours in my dad's office.
I don't want these to be capital F's. I don't know why they are. Guess it automatically picks and chooses when it does big letters with this font. That's weird. Okay. Not going to be too picky on that. Now we've got our 24-hour office challenge. Okay, now let's go through. Save often, Command S. Let's go through and figure out where else we want fonts, text, titles.
What did you get?
So we'll do it where we bring in. We don't need one there. We'll do it every time we do a
Here's my stuff. I got a blanket. I scored 2 points.
So what we're doing, by the way, I'm skipping down to the next clip by pushing up arrow goes back to the previous clip, down goes to the next clip. And I'm just looking for the part where Nani updates us on the time.
How are you doing?
All right, so this is the next place that we want a title in ours. You go through, put titles wherever you want them.
Guys, this is how much we are in. We are 4 hours.
So we're going to put a title here. Oh, by the way, we can't use the same title because if we change it, it will change it at the start of the video. So what we do is we need to make a copy of this. So I right click or hold Control and click, and then I choose duplicate and name this Clock 1. Okay. Drag this above my video, and this is 4 hours in. 4 hours completed. Okay, 4 hours completed. Use this arrow to drag it where we want it, and we'll put it right there. Close this. See how that looks.
We are 4 hours in? Oh my gosh, guys, we're 4 hours in.
Okay, so go through and put titles everywhere that you want them. We're going to go and put ours through now. In the next video, we will show you how to add transitions or dissolves, fades, and those kind of things. And we'll see you in the next video.